Little rainy day project here going. Got some 8-foot PVC. Got 15 of them lined up, and we actually cut them with an angle cut here. Fill them with silicone. Kind of waiting on that to dry, but there's a buddy of mine had this design, and I'm not huge into fishing, but my boy Lane is, and he's in here rigging up the other side. Look at that going there, buddy.
How much? Ooh. Look at that.
So he's building some leaders here.
I didn't have to push anything.
And they'll have these little quick connects. We basically just snap them right on those poles and working smarter, not harder when we go fishing. All right, Lane and I are just down here finishing up these fishing rigs. He's gonna kind of demonstrate what we got put up. Actually just finished gluing the caps on all these. Again, this 1/2-inch PVC. We basically tied it to where you can show it how it recesses in there. And then, so once that retracts back, we got these quick clips and then our leader. He's gonna attach that. Check it out. There goes the beaver. Beaver just splashed right there. I just had him face to face and I forgot to hit record. Had one and its baby right in this hole right here. I don't know, it's a good hole here. I think we're gonna put a couple poles in here. There right below you here, bud, there was a beaver, 2 of them. And she just splashed right down here. So yeah, hang them down there and kind of tie them off maybe, because I think we're gonna put 2 or 3 right here. And then we'll just work our way down.
They driving in 18?
Oh man, that's a good hole right there.
They driving in 18 feet?
Yeah, oh yeah, yep. Where you wanna go next, buddy? Let's go on the other side of that beaver set, because they got that dug out. Got a good one? He don't need he doesn't have to be great. Good one.
The rattlers might have to catch us some fish. We might have to put a dead one with the rattler on it.
Did a little half twist. This one to set your depth. Just kind of got a little couple wrap and a half hitch. I think we're setting pretty good. There's a decent hole, nothing major. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a shorter set, but that's all right. I like the brush piles around it. Would you mark those, 12 or 18? I think 18's maybe a touch shy. We're gonna go more like 24. Bank's a little soft. Oh yeah. If this one holds on, I'm calling it. This is where the big boy's at. This is right in a little inlet. Kind of a little island with a log jam. It's a deep hole right here. Logs all the way around it. And that's gonna be right on the bottom. Come on, big boy. Oh yeah.
You see that mallet?
No, bring it over, just push over here and I'll drive it because I'm actually about the distance you need to be. Here we go. That ain't going anywhere. Let's see how clear we are though of everything. I think we might have to pile another limb on there. Oh yeah, I might just have to go about 3 feet under maybe. There's a log, but there's plenty deep below that. Hang on a sec, buddy. right there. Little half hitch. All right, bud, you got one? 50 pounder. Oh, he's lively. It's a good one, buddy.
Some of them are good, some of them are pretty good.
It's our first crack at these rattles. I'll have to see how these work. Interested. Let's see here. What's that?
Is that on the bottom?
No, there's only one log there, and it's actually got a big hole right beside it.
It's gonna let that bait swim.
Yeah, it's going. It's swimming.
I know, I said that's gonna let that bait swim.
Okay. Okay. Let her retract. Check your depth. Money. Okay, you got a bait, buddy?
Pull me up.
Just 1 second. Oh yeah, look at that current coming off of there. That's gonna be a good spot. See all that current? Got a little eddy back there. It's not real deep. I like it. Dang it, I thought for sure we were gonna see the spill right there. Nice recovery, buddy. Hey, there you go, 1 for 1. First line. That's a good sign. You didn't even think there was one on there, did you?
I didn't think there was on there.
That's awesome.
That thing wasn't bending at all.
No, that's weird. He must have been tuckered out. It's starting to rain. You got him?
Oh yeah.
Let me see him. Nice, buddy. Nada. Little cat. Hey, a little flatty. Number 2. Let's see him. Hold him up. Nice little guy.
Yeah.
Cool. You can see it bouncing?
Oh yeah.
Which one?
The one that's the second one.
Little guy?
No. Oh.
Decent?
Yeah.
Okay, you want the net? Hold up, hold up. He's gonna get hung up on that other one.
No.
Hang on, you stay right there and I'll net him on the other side maybe. Here, can you come? I'll come outside you. He's decent? Oh wow. You try to kind of feed it up.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Let's let him tucker out a little bit. Hold up, hold up. I'll hold, let's hold him right here. Yeah, careful. Let's get rid of that one first. Okay, you go ahead and work on that and I'll hold him right here.
He's pretty big.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, big cat. Big cat. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's in. It's through it.
Here, put her in here. Don't stick it like that.
I got him.
Put her in here.
Oh yeah. Hold him up. Let's take a look at. Actually, get that one undone.
No.
Nice one, buddy, right here. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Oh yeah. Hold that tail up. Nice. What do you think, 20 maybe? 15, 15, 20? Yeah. Nice catch, brother. I knew that. Ah, hot and dry for 3 weeks and decides to rain on us right when we're checking lines. Come on, big boy, tangled up on the bottom. Really? Oh shoot. Hang on, do you want me to land him? I knew that was a chance on that one. Holy cow, he's a good one. Hold up, I got you. You gotta throw him in there. Nice, dude.
Dang, we're found him. I'm gonna swallow that sucker up.
Did he?
Yeah.
We'll unclip it. Unclip it right there. Unclip it right here, and then we'll get it with the wet home.
Dang, 4. That's good.
And we got a few more to check. Is that pole still there? God, that was my favorite one. Nada? Darn it, I like that set. That's all right. We had to try it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what do you got here, Laner?
Oh, yeah.
Whoo, he's trying to go to the deep. Uh-oh. Make sure that pole doesn't go. That's a good one, dude. He's trying to go deep. Number 5, are you kidding? I'll take 5 for 15 any day. Oh, shoot, that's a good one. Is that a blue? That's a blue. Whew. Hey, you want help, or do you want to do the, do you want to do the net? He's a fighter. Those blues are fighters, aren't they? Just make sure. Heck yes. You want me to? Okay. Okay. You just kind of pull him back this way and I'll net him. Oh, just missed. There he goes. Got him.
That's a nice blue.
Yeah, he is. Hold up. I'm gonna have to spin around. I'll come your way just a minute.
Oh, those things fight.
Yeah, they do. He's got right through the eye, looks like. Hang on, we're all twisted up in this. That's what kind of why I didn't want to net him too bad, unless we had to. It's all right though.
You can't sleep in the room.
Ow!
Yeah.
Oh, biter.
Not one to grab him. Wow, fish. 5.
I'm thinking it's the old rattles.
5 for 15, that's a good number.
I'll take 5 for 15 any day. Here, unhook that. Look at that blue. That's a fighter. Ouch! Pretty good haul there, buddy. Set him at Molly, no. What is that, Molly?
This is a little swallow.
Oh yeah, we'll have to get that out. Watch your, oh, careful, careful.
Well, there's a hook like this. Yeah, spike down.
Come on, let's see them curls. Not a bad haul. 5 for 15.
Pretty good.
Not bad. First time with the new setups. Pretty good weekend.